Welcome back. 27 passengers were injured in a bus accident at Paroda Cafe on Wednesday. The accident occurred as bus overturned. The bus was plying from Madgaon to Saurde. Passengers are now shifted to hospicio.
एक होता मरे ते बस होता इस टर्न झाले समती पडेल त्याने बरं 1-2-5 मिनिटांनी
खंय पडले ती
ते शेतां पडले सामकी
शेतां पडले आनी पॅक आसलें सामकें
पॅक आसलें बस
सामकी पॅक
आसलें
तूं खंय आसलेलो
हांव मोदें आशिल्लो उबो आशिल्लो एक स्पॅक्स बी सगळे गेले
तूं कितें मार लागला
हिंग लागला म्हणजे हांवें एक्सरे घालपाक
कितें मुखाल्ल्यान गाडी मारली
काय ना बेश्टीच साम काण ना गाडी बी कांयच नाशिल्ली शेतान सामकी ती अशी फास्ट सारकी समती फुडें
तुमकां भायर कोणी काडलें
भायर एक हेल्प केली लोकांनी हेल्प केली आनी वयर काडली
गाडी चड स्पिडीन आसलेली
स्पिडीन आसली ती
चड स्पिडीन आनी पॅक आसलेली
पॅक आशिल्ली
जेन्ना म्हाका कॉल येयलो पळय तेन्ना हांव स्पॉटार पावलो तेन्ना लोकांनी झपाझप गाडयेन पेशंट घालपाक सुरू केले आनी हांवें कमीत कमी एक 13-14 जाण पेशंट हाडलेले तितून एक 3 जाण अशे सिरियस आसले म्हणजे एकदम सिरियस ना म्हणजे कोणाचे हात मोडलो कोणाचो पांय मोडलो कोणाक तकलेक मार लागलो आनी कोणाक चेस्ट पेन जावपाक लागलो ताका हांवें 5 जाणांक पेशंट हांवें स्वता हांवें उखलून तांकां भितर घाले
कशें म्हणजे बायलो भुरगीं
सगळे मिक्स बायलां आसलीं भुरगीं आसले चेडे आसले आनी म्हातारे बी आसले
कितले जाण आसले
हांवें म्हाज्या गाडयेन एक 13-14 जाण कितें हाडलेले अंदाजान म्हाका जे दिसपर्यंत कॉल येयल्लो पळय आतां हांवें कॉल नोट बी करूंक ना हांवें एक अदमास म्हाका दिसता 6:45 सुमार कॉल येयल्लो म्हाका 6:45-7.
Our reporters Samir Bhatt and Mayur Naik.
Congress Goa desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy has said that Congress will play a major role of constructive opposition in the assembly. However, leader of Congress legislature wing and the opposition leader are yet to be elected. Reddy reiterated that party will introspect about their defeat.
कंस्ट्रक्टिव अपोजिशन रोल प्ले करते हुए हमारा संगठन को और मजबूत करके लोगों का जितना दिक्कत है वो सब जैसा बीजेपी ने वादा जो मैनिफेस्टो के माध्यम से किया एज ए अपोजिशन पार्टी हम जरूर एक वॉच कमेटी जैसा उनका पीछे रहेंगे हम बोलते रहेंगे पूछते रहेंगे जो 11 रुपया वैट एग्जेम्पशन का पेट्रोल का ऊपर इमीडिएट इम्प्लीमेंट कर तुम बोले ईच हाउस होल्ड में 1000 रुपया दे तुम बोले वो सब जो डिमांड किया वो सब हम याद करते रहेंगे प्रेशर बिल्डअप करते रहेंगे उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए
Reddy also informed that Congress party will appoint a committee to analyze the factors that led to party's downfall. The report will be then sent to the Congress High Command.
We respect the verdict of Goans. It is a people's verdict. In democracy, one should accept. And as far as our Congress party, we will assess and introspect ourselves. We are planning to have a small committee to go into details. Shortly we will announce. And also, being the in charge, I am getting reports from various quarters where we went wrong, what is the reason for this debacle, whatever it may be.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Onkar Ferrari. Around 14,000 students across Goa are appearing for the HSSC examination this year. The exam is being held at 13 centres across Goa. A new marking system is being implemented from this year. The results are expected to be out by mid-May.
These students are busy answering the English paper of the higher secondary school certificate examinations. The exams that began on Wednesday will continue up to the 27th of March. 14,515 students from different streams are appearing for the exams in 13 centres across Goa. There has been a rise in the number of students as compared to last year. Here are the figures. 2011, 13,765 students. 2012, 14,515 students. Boys 7,105. Girls 7,410. Arts 3,091 students. Commerce 5,025 students. Science 3,621 students, vocational 2,778 students.
Candidates and parents, please take note that any timetable that you find should be only from our official website, because there are other websites which are displaying wrong timetable. So please be alert about the correct timetable.
This year, the new marking system is being implemented, under which all papers will be out of 80 marks, whereas last year all papers were out of 100 marks. The board has also ensured it will not repeat the mistakes committed while computing the results last year.
This year the paper for regular students will be of 80 marks, 2.5 hours. So because directly the marks will be computed out of 80 and the 20 marks will be added after internal assessment. So that is the difference. Last year there was a little error in the computing of the marks, so that was due to the wrong formula that was used. This year we have taken good care of it and we are having checks and balances at every stage.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushan Par.
Defeated Congress candidate from Naveli, Churchill Alemao, has blamed former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for the defeat of Congress in the state. He said Digambar Kamath is responsible for the downfall of Congress. Furthermore, Churchill alleged the priest of supporting the BJP, resulting in defeat of the Congress party. Churchill also blamed EVMs for the defeat of Alemao's in his own strange way.
सारकें उडोवपाक मेन मोठो आमगेलो सीएम मुगेलो सीएम पण येल्लो दिगंबर कामत एणे 15 दिसां भितर एक पुलीस ऑफिसर जो आशिल्लो अल्बुकेर एका सडनली चेंज केलो आनी तेक जाय तो पुलीस ऑफिसर तेणें हाडलो हिंगा फेर इलेक्शन तरी जालो जायत जाल्यार आज हांव जाणा इलेक्शन कमिशनर म्हणटा कोणालो असिस्टंट कोणालो ते म्हाका सगळी खबर आहा आमी सगळ्या फॅमिलींतले आमी सगळे पडटरी पळे जायत आमकां लोकांन उडयलें नाय पूण आमकां पॉलिटिशनान उडयलें आमकां सारके पॉलिटिशनांनी काबार केले आनी पॉलिटिशनान काबार केले म्हूण हांव ओपन सांगता.
Churchill said 80% priests played a crucial role in supporting the BJP.
थोडो मार्जिन वोट मुगेलो उण जाल जायत फकत पाद्री भावा लागून आमगेली काँग्रेस आज काबार जावपाक काँग्रेस नाक मोडपाक पाद्री पळे हाय आमगेले पाद्री भाव दे आर द रेस्पॉन्सिबल. टोटल 80% पाद्रींनी काँग्रेस नाक मोडल्या आनी म्हाका सुद्दां पाद्री गेले आयकोन जायती मार्जिन उणी जाल्या आनी ते प्रमाणे पाद्री जायती पार्टी बीजेपी तेमी हाडल्या आनी बीजेपी पार्टीन हे पाद्री गेले सगळें काम केल्या प्रमाण हांव देवा कडेन मागता. पाद्री इज अ मेन कॉज आमची काँग्रेस पार्टी काबार करपाक.
Churchill Alemao was defeated by his rival independent candidate in Naveli, Avartana Furtado. Along with Churchill, his brother Joki Alemao, Walanka Alemao and Yuri Alemao too lost the poll battle. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Butt.
Suspended ANC PSI Sunil Gudlar was arrested by CBI officials at GRP camp at Alteen on Tuesday. He was arrested by CBI officials for registering fake complaint against Dudu. Gudlar was later produced before NDPS court at Mapsa and remanded to 6 days CBI custody. CBI was on a lookout for Gudlar after he skipped summons and was missing from his residence.
CBI officials arrested Sunil Gudlar for registering fake complaint against David Driham alias Dudu. CBI officials had to arrest him and take him into custody for further investigations of the case. CBI investigations have revealed that Dudu was falsely booked in the drugs case. It was further revealed that Gudlar had planted drugs on Dudu. Sources informed that charge sheet and Panchanama were contradictory. A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.